Hi my beauties, it's Carol, and today I'm going to show you what I did for my 77th birthday in February. I hope you enjoy and stay tuned to the end, because you're not going to believe what happened.
I don't have my glasses.
She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! She's recording. Come on in. Gay's all here.
Happy birthday, Grandma!
Let's go. Birthday girl secured. Both of them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Here you go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sit down now, before she gets going.
Bus ride, a disco bus. I always wanted to go on that. And where are we going? We drove for almost an hour. We had so much fun on the bus. And now we are at our destination. Let me show you.
Grandma, we're in New York.
what a fun day. A disco bus, a ride on the Swans, and then on the Ferris wheel. We were just having a ball. And then we went back to the house and we had cake. And then they drove me home. And then you're not going to believe what happened.
It makes you feel better.
So there I am with the white jacket. I'm getting out of the car. My granddaughter's standing there. She's reaching out to grab me, and whoop! I go down. I go down. Into the gutter. Into the street. I'm under the car almost. I could see all the things that are under the car. And I just laid there until she picked me up. And then my grandson ran out of the car. And he picked me up, and she picked me up. And I really fell so gracefully. It was crazy. I didn't get hurt at all. And they kept saying, check your foot, check your ankle, check this. I didn't get hurt at all. I landed with grace. Thank God. Well, that's it. That was my birthday surprise. What a fun day. And I didn't hurt myself at all in the fall. I fell very gracefully. Thank goodness. I mean, I was almost under the car, okay? I could have changed the oil. So it was a glorious day. Thanks for watching. Mwah! I love you all. I'll see you soon.